Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making delicious restaurant style paneer masala in easy steps. So without any further ado, let's begin. Heat a kadai, add 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Now add the whole masalas. I have listed the detailed ingredients in the description box below. Please check it. Saute for a minute till it releases a nice aroma. Now add 1 teaspoon of Shah Jeera. If you do not have Shah Jeera, you may add normal cumin seeds. Add 1 whole pod of garlic and 1 in ginger. Saute for a few minutes. Here I have taken 2 medium-sized onions roughly chopped. Saute till it turns translucent. Add 1 tablespoon of coriander stems. This adds a nice flavor to the overall dish. Add 6 to 7 cashews and 3 medium-sized roughly chopped tomatoes. Saute this all well till the tomato turns soft. It will take around 5 to 7 minutes on low to medium flame. Once this is done, transfer it to another plate, let it cool down and grind this into a fine paste and keep it aside. Now in the same kadai, add 2 tablespoons of oil and add a mix of 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder and immediately add the paste. Doing so ensures a beautiful color to the gravy. Make sure to immediately add the paste, else the red chilli powder will get burnt. Give it a very nice mix. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. This is just to enhance the color. 1½ tablespoon of coriander powder. Salt to taste. Mix it well and cook for 4 to 5 minutes on low flame till the raw smell of the masalas goes off. Now close the lid and cook for 5 minutes on low flame. After 5 minutes, open the lid and cook for another 5 to 7 minutes on low flame till the paste starts to leave the sides of the kadai like so. At this stage, add the paneer. Here I have taken 250 grams of paneer. Gently coat the paneer with the masala. Coat it really well. Now add 2 cups of hot water. Add 2 tablespoons of malai. This is homemade malai. If you do not have malai at home, you may add fresh cream. Now close the lid and cook for 5 minutes on low flame so the paneer absorbs all the flavor well. Now add fresh coriander leaves and a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Cook for another couple of minutes. Now towards the end, we will give a special tadka which will notch up this dish to another level. For this, heat a tablespoon of butter, add 1 tablespoon of Kasuri Methi and add it to the Paneer Masala. This will add a nice aroma and flavor to the overall dish. Give it a gentle mix and close the lid and let it rest for 10 minutes. That's it. Our delicious restaurant style paneer masala is ready to be served. You can enjoy this with rice, roti or naan, any bread of your choice. Hope you have liked the recipe. Do try this. Request you to please subscribe to my channel so you will get notified on my further videos. Thank you for tuning in. See you soon.